Good medical morning. Here's a topic you may have never thought about. Can dogs get pimples? Well, here's what we know. Dog acne, also called chin pyoderma, puppy dermatitis, muzzle folliculitis, furunculosis, or simply pimples, is a fairly common inflammatory condition that affects the lips, chins, and muzzles of puppies and young adult dogs. Here are a few examples. What causes acne in dogs is not well understood. However, canine acne is similar to acne in teenaged humans. It usually starts as hard purplish-red raised areas and blackheads at the site of hair follicles. While mild acne outbreaks usually don't cause dogs much discomfort, severe acne can be extremely painful. It is important for owners to recognize the signs of acne so that they can take appropriate steps to treat the condition and relieve their dog's discomfort.
Here's Cowboy. See his little chinny? He's got little bumps. See these little bumps? Hi guys, say hello.
Have you ever dealt with dog acne? Share your story and read other stories below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.